These start from the top position. So what you want to do if you don't have a rack to just take the bar out of, you're going to have to deadlift it first and then lower it back down. I know it's a little bit extra step here, like you're doing a Romanian deadlift. So just push your butt backwards, and then once you get to your bottom position, you feel that stretch in your hamstrings a little bit. You're going to pull the bar into your belly button, let it come back down, pulling those shoulders back on each one. So try to get those shoulder blades pulling together, pull it into your belly button. This is going to get your lats involved, as opposed to pulling it up really high. It's not working as many muscles, it's not getting those big muscles. So give that a shot.